Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, welcome to Electropixels. In this video we are going to discuss about this red light blinking and TV goes to standby in 40-inch Hisense smart Android TV. See friends, this is the fault. While releasing the TV from the standby, TV turns on and the red light start blinking few seconds, then again goes to standby. In this model TV, these type of fault mainly indicates it's as a lamp error, or we can call it as a backlight error. The TV goes to protection mode due to backlight fault. If the motherboard all voltages are okay, then check the backlights using the LED backlight checker for confirmation that it's a backlight related fault. So that's it, hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.